it's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. So today I'm going to be opening up the Glow Addict Beauty Box. So this subscription runs $18.99 monthly. It's plus shipping, so I pay about $21.99 every month. And it usually includes about 5 to 7 mix of full and sample size products. Well, let's open it up and see what I got this month. So there isn't any card included this month. I don't think there was any last month either. I don't know what's up with that. So all the prices that I'm quoting, I just looked it up online. First thing included in the box is a Body Blendz face and chest mask. $9.99. It's mixed with Australian pink clay. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, it definitely does have like a fruity, flowery scent to it. It smells really good. It's not that pliable. It's like really hard to move around. Whoa. Paint's on really smooth though. Ooh, I could be a painter. Look at me go. Why won't it cover the holes? My pores are not looking to get covered. That's how much I used of the jar. So I think maybe you can get 3 uses out of this. Maybe 4 if you have a smaller face. I do not. My face is large and in charge. So I use so much. I'm all done applying, so I just have to wait for 15 minutes and I'll be all done. So it's been about 15 minutes, so I'm about to wash it off. It's not drying, like it doesn't like freeze my face, so which is good. It is looking cracky. For some reason it never covered like my pores, so there are just holes throughout. So I washed off the face mask. I usually rinse off a face mask. When I rinsed this particular one off, it left like a pinkish residue on my skin, so I had to wash my face again. It was super mild. Alright, I'm back. Ooh, I look like a raccoon. This is crazy. This is looking a little crazy. Jacky Luvv. And this is Rich. And this is a 4-color eyeshadow palette. I do like her lashes though, so I'm a fan of her lashes. I've never tried her eyeshadow palette before. This is the first. Oh, I look like I tanned wrong. So that's it without the wrapping. It's called Rich. Assuming that's what she is or what she wants to be. Don't we all? Alright, there is a mirror included. I don't know why you would call an eyeshadow drowning. This runs $18.99. Flawless. Oops, flawless. Ooh. A lot of fallout on it. Sapphire. Whoa, that is a deep color. Drowning. And Midnight. Those are the 4 colors on the palette. Flawless. I know I look freaky. I apologize. Which is a nice deep orange color. Took a little bit to blend in. Then I went in with Midnight. It's starting to look a little bruisey right now. There is definitely a lot of pigment in this palette. It is pretty pigmented. There's also a lot of fallout in this palette, but I'm assuming it's because of the pigment. Then I went in with Sapphire and just tried to blend it into everything. I don't know how well it came out, but still working on it. Drowning to align my eyes. That one's not good. Look at this one. We have a Revlon all-in-one ultimate mascara. Pretty interesting because this is a drugstore brand. I thought this was Glow Addict was mainly indie brands. Pretty sure this is the first time I've gotten a drugstore item. There it is. I found it online at $8.99, but there are sites that you can get it for a little bit cheaper. Alright, open it up. Yep, looks just like a regular one. So this is what it looks like with the mascara. Yeah, it's good. I like the formula. It went on super smooth. It got all my little lashes, which is great. And I am a fan. I'm still a little surprised that they put in a Revlon product. Now I really look like a raccoon though. With the blue eyeshadow. Zola Lashes. And I actually got this recently. I'm not actually sure which box. It's a different style. This one is in Iris. They're 3D mink. Super soft. I'm a fan of these particular lashes, so I'm not mad at that. And online these run $24.99. And that is the band. Oh, that's probably why I loved them so much, because they had a thick band. Oh yeah. But there they are. They are super full. Ooh, maybe I didn't put them on too well. I think they look really good. Even though I'm not the best at putting on lashes, they're super full. They're super soft. They go on really well. But I look less raccoony because I put down a foundation. So that's good too. A L'Oreal Blend Artist. Oh, it's a concealer blender. I do have a beauty blender that I've been using. I got it in a box a few months back. I'll actually put it right there so you can see. But I do not have a blender for concealer. I basically just use a beauty blender. So I will try this and see how I feel about it. So let's get some concealer. Alright, and let's blend it and see how it looks. Let's go like these. I do like that it's pointed at the tip, so it lets me get under my eye a lot better than the bigger beauty blender that I've been using. But yeah, this is pretty handy. I'm a fan. Ruby May Cosmetics, and this is a studio powder wrapped up, so I'll just take that off. So it's a contour and highlighting palette, which I am very excited about. I tried working with the contour, but the deepest shade unfortunately just doesn't show up on me because I'm pretty deep. So I'm just going to use the highlighter. You know, what can you do? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let's try out the highlighter. This runs $18.99. I think it looks good. Yes. NYX. And it is a butter lip balm. Surprised they didn't include lipstick. Like, why would I just want a lip balm? But whatever. And this runs $6. Oh, it smells awesome. This is called Lady Fingers. It's the color right there. It's a nice pinkish hue. Oh, I thought they said lip balm. Oh wow. Really good. Yes. Oh, somebody's going out tonight. Ew. Yeah, it's really moisturizing, like a lip balm. It actually doesn't feel like I have any color on my lips, which is great. And it matches the purple perfectly. I'm loving it. Yes. Alright, well I guess that's it. The total value of the box was $93.85. And I think I look fabulous. Goodbye.